My favorite scientist is APJ Abdul Kalam. He was a great scientist.
Tell something about a great scientist.
Scientist
Doc.
Dr.
Jag-
Jagdeep Chandra Bose. He proved that every plant has life.
This is hibiscus flower. There are 5 petals in this hibiscus flower. Abdul Kalam sir was a great scientist of India. He was also known as Missile Man.
Now we add red color. So we learn water has no color. This cold water balloon. This hot water balloon. Water balloon is sinking. Cold water balloon is molten. Hot water balloon is distant. Paper. Achacho, Buddhist, Sandro, Bose, Baza, great scientist, proved lot and life.